This right up here is surprisingly not very bad. Hi, and welcome back. Just want to say thank you to everyone that participated in the giveaway. We did have a winner, and I did forward the contact information on Super Clean, so hopefully they'll be sending out the product to you, and I'll be sending out a hat as well. But thanks again, everybody participated. Hopefully we can do that again soon with something else, but for now, we're gonna concentrate on getting this little piece off. So throwing the brace, don't want to really cut it, so we need to grind it down and see where the spot welds are and get those drilled out, get that piece off. And we may work on the emergency brake bracket, cable bracket, see what the spot welds on those are, maybe drill that off. And need to come through the seam where I'm thinking about cutting out and sand that down and see how far the rust goes back. May do that, and we may do a little bit of cutting the main pan out here. Got a feeling the brace is gonna be like the other one. It's gonna collapse on itself. So we'll have to jack it up from underneath to get the brace level, and then maybe put the loop on it and lift and see if, check the level on this too. But yeah, mainly tonight, let's get this little piece off, maybe that bracket, clean the area where we're thinking about cutting, and maybe cut some of the pan out. Not 100% sure on that, but we'll see how far we get. But I'm gonna set you over here and we'll start grinding, cutting, and sanding. We did a little cutting tonight. This right up here is surprisingly not very bad. Thought that was gonna be a piece where I had to patch up to here, but it looks like it's all good metal, so it's a win for us. That, not so much. I don't think the pan will cover all the way up to here, so probably had to make a little piece here. Cut out the floor, mainly. Got me good access so I can step in. But we put PB Blaster on this. I'm gonna try to pop these down and take this, I guess, bracket or fuel tank holder bracket off. Next time we'll try to get that. And we'll probably take this off, spray PB Blaster on it, and finish cutting this out. Probably gonna grind it down a little bit so we see spot welds, drill those out, and probably gonna come up here right above the rust and cut that out. Need to make sure our pan will cover that. I believe it will. And didn't try to get this off tonight. I couldn't see where the spot welds were, so we may just cut the cable. That way the cable will fall out, and then when we cut the pan, I'm probably gonna cut it. I don't know if I want to cut it with a seam or not, because it's gonna be overlapping up here. It should just be right underneath that. I don't know. I may cut it with the seam. Anyways, we can take that off later. We need to take that rod out next time. But I think mainly we're gonna focus on this, getting this brace exposed, seeing how good it is. To me, it seems to be pretty good shape. For some reason it's raised up right there. So I don't know if I need to kind of hammer that back down. I don't know if you can tell. Has like a bow in it. So I'm not sure what that's about. Well, we'll look at it next time. And I need to cut this out here to make a flange. I got that to take care of, but I'm pretty happy with how it looks, especially that corner up there. I guess all that dirt or grease and this nastiness kind of kept it rust free. We got our work cut out for us in this area and that area, but I think we can manage. Still need to pull all these lines, hard lines and electrical lines. Need to get all those out. But yeah, I think pretty productive. Wasn't a long video, but we got a lot cut and exposed. Mainly want to get those, so maybe they'll come out next time. But yeah, coming along. Well, I think that's gonna do it for me tonight. Like I said, we exposed the brace a little bit. Use a blacksmith cabinet, which I'm probably gonna make a cabinet for, so I can do it outside. You can kind of see in there. I don't want to stay in there very long, but I did have window open and that fan blowing out, so hopefully it took some of it, but it worked pretty good. Kind of fiddly. See, it making me use my left hand. I'm not left-handed, so anyways, I'm gonna use it, but I'm gonna wait until I get something better to do it outside during the day so I can see better. That way all this not good for me to breathe silica dust is not in my garage. It's lingering. Then we're gonna cut it off right here. See you next time. Do more cutting. Try to drop that gas tank bracket and see why that bump is right by the body mount bolt. And that brace looks like it's kind of kicked in this way a little bit, so maybe a little tweaked on this side. We'll give that a look next time too, but yeah, we'll keep on cutting and get the rod pulled out, put the paint in, see where it needs to be, mark it, and then I'll be ready to zip it out. But anyways, thank you again, everybody that's subscribed to me, or anybody that watched the video. It does mean a lot. Like I said, we held a giveaway, and I really appreciate the people that, you know, got in on it. Glad to do that and send somebody some stuff. But anyways, hopefully we'll do it again soon. Like I said, we'll continue on this next time and do more cutting. I got a little ways to go, but we'll get there. Anyways, if you like what you see, this channel's all about messing with cars and such. Post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Be car related. Tried to use my last cabinet, didn't really work out the way I wanted, but we'll continue on and get this going. Sorry about the short video tonight, but just kind of want to do a little bit, kind of think about what we're doing and get a game plan on how to tackle this. Think on it a day or two, and then we'll start getting more precise cuts. I need to get a new wheel. That one's about to eat up. But anyways, thank you again. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It does help the channel out. And I'll see you next time.